Do we get null and void marriage if marriage was not consumed? I'm assuming they meant consummated, or cohabitats, or there was no cohabitation after marriage. That's a very good question. It's a very unfortunate. As much as there is a lot of injustice to women in this country, even in matrimonial disputes, one big injustice to men is that even if the marriage was not consummated, even if there was no cohabitation, I've had cases where the wife literally went the very next day after the wedding back to her house, and the matter kept going on for months when she filed her domestic violence maintenance cases, police cases, and the court did fix an interim maintenance amount as well. If for the fact that we did not file our civil and criminal remedies in law, the husband client would have been in complete shambles. It's very unfortunate, but it's true. If the wife's cases can go on, I say your cases of extortion, intimidation, defamation, harassment against the wife and her family should also be filed. If you're a victim, you shouldn't be holding yourself back or thinking, oh, I want to file an annulment petition. I say this understanding that just a couple of days ago there was an annulment judgment which was passed, and every time one such annulment judgment is passed, client comes to me and says, I also want this, my marriage was not consummated and then there was no cohabitation, etc. And I say, don't look at one judgment, look at statistics. Go on the internet, do your research. If 100 annulment petitions were filed, how many of them were decreed by the court? And you will see 1 in 1,000 cases annulment was actually granted by the court. Are those odds that you want to play instead of other legal strategies that have far more effectiveness?